In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research for Blogger using Ubersuggest in Hindi, specifically for the year 25. If you're a blogger who wants to enhance their content's visibility and reach, then mastering keyword research is crucial. Let's get started. First things first, you need to access Ubersuggest. So head over to your browser and type in Neil Patel Ubersuggest. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. Having an account will help you save your searches and access more detailed insights, which is a great way to streamline your research process. Now, with your account ready, you can start your keyword exploration. You'll notice a search bar right in front of you. This is where you enter your keyword or topic of interest. Think about what your target audience might be searching for. For instance, you might enter keywords like blogging, fitness tips, or travel tips. Choose words that are most relevant to the content you wish to create. Once you've decided on a keyword, take a look at the drop-down menu next to the search bar. This menu shows a flag or a country name indicating the default region or language setting, such as United States, English. It's crucial to align your research with the intended audience's location and language. If you're targeting an Indian audience who primarily speaks Hindi, you should change the country to India and the language to Hindi. Simply click on the drop-down to make these adjustments. After setting the country and language, hit the search button. This will prompt Ubersuggest to sift through its database and present you with keyword data tailored to your selected region or language. You'll get to see valuable information such as search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and CPC, which stands for cost per click. Understanding these metrics is key, as they help gauge the competitiveness and popularity of your chosen keywords, aiding you in crafting content that can stand out in search results. If you'd like to widen your perspective, you can use this process to compare how the same keywords perform across different regions or languages. For example, while travel tips might be more popular in the United States, budget travel ideas might resonate more with Indian audiences. Such insights are priceless as they allow you to fine-tune your content strategy to better suit the preferences and needs of your target audience. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for successful keyword research tailored to your audience, enhancing your content's reach and engagement. So get started and watch your blogging efforts flourish with well-researched keywords.